We were at, you were able to
Is
see
this
it.
the
We
correct
were
one?
at, yes, yes.
Okay, please
Yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah. So this is the full screen.
Yes, this is the full screen mode.
Okay. So then after that, we assess the antioxidant versus the pro-oxidant levels by estimating levels of MDA, which is the organic compound and widely used as oxidative stress biomarker in biomedical research. So lipid peroxidation is measured spectrophotometrically as 2-thiobarbiturate acid reactive substance in supernatant. And we measured the antioxidant and caliber by reduced glutathione. It was estimated based on the enzymatic recycling procedure in which glutathione was sequentially oxidized by TTNB and reduced by NADPH in the presence of glutathione reductase. Then again, nitrites and nitrates, the stable metabolites of nitric oxide, because we know that in addition to the oxidative free radicals, the nitrosative free radicals also play an important role in inflammation. So we measured the total metabolites of nitric oxide, that is nitrates and nitrates, by the method of Tracy et al. Next slide, please. And after that, histopathological examination was done to see the microscopic changes in the liver by the inducing the model and its reversal by giving the drug dawa ulkurkum. Next slide, please. So this slide shows the effects of dawa ulkurkum and its hydroalcoholic extract on humoral immunity. We know that adaptive immunity is of two types, humoral and the cell-mediated immunity. So antibody response and immunoglobulin levels were measured in anti-TB drug-induced model. In the model where we gave the anti-tubercular drugs, isoniazid, rifampicin, and ethambutol. So this slide shows that as compared to the control, when in experimental control, that is a hepatic dysfunction, there was an increase in the level of immunoglobulin M, IgM, IgG, IgA, and the IgE. So there was drastic increase in this immune response. And silymarin, which is a drug, which is a drug which is given in hepatic dysfunction and well-known drug, it reduced these immunoglobulin levels. And the results with dawa ul kurkum in the dose of 250 and 500 milligram per kg of the rat body weight, they also reduced significantly as compared to the experimental control, that is the negative control, and they were somewhat comparable to the silymarin drugs on all the immunoglobulins, that is IgM, IgG, which is one of the first kind of the immunoglobulin which appears when some noxious elements enters into the body, and it is for the secretions it is increased. And IgE, we know it is an inflammation. IgE is increased, which binds with the epsilon receptors